So I truly feel behind anyone's productivity is a clean desk setup. With that being said, this is Ashwani Pawar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is a video about my desk setup. So my desk is a standing desk from Amazon. The name of the brand is Flexispot. It's like everyone else, I also made the mistake of not actually considering the depth of the desk. My desk is 29 inches deep and 55 inches wide. And since I work almost 12 hours a day, my shoulder starts to pain. So anybody who is out in the market for looking for a desk, they should definitely consider the depth of the desk. That is very important. It has two buttons to send it up, bring it down, and it works perfectly fine. I've been using the same desk for almost 2 years now without any issues. It can handle almost 150 pounds. You can see I have a huge monitor on top of it without any issue. The motor works. The second thing is the chair. I've seen videos of YouTubers, all of them using Herman Miller. I also want that chair, but I'm one of those people who wants to invest in a chair by trying it out. I cannot be ordering a chair off internet, which is almost $1,600 without trying it, because for me, comfort comes first. And since I'm using this chair almost 10 hours a day, I want to make sure that it is the chair for my back and for me. So for that is why I went to Staples and got an ordinary chair. And this is actually very comfortable. There are multiple variations. I can bring it down, I can send it up, and there's a back support, there's lumbar support. So this chair is perfect for me. Third, so I'm also guilty of using single monitor, dual monitor, and nothing was helping me out until I ordered this gigantic monitor from Samsung. It is 49-inch curved, and it changed the world for me. I literally can do so many things using it. It is a gaming monitor, though I don't use it for gaming. And this is amazing when it comes to refresh rate. Monitor is so wide, it is very difficult to split screen, and I do use both Windows and Mac OS. So in Windows, if anybody is using this kind of monitor, they can use Power Toys to split the windows as per their own requirement. You can similarly in MacBook use an app known as Magnet. It is a paid app. You pay one time, but trust me, once you have paid for that app, you have that app in your system, you will have zero issues when it comes to splitting your wide monitor into multiple screens in Mac OS. So monitor out of the way, now comes the keyboard. So I've been using the same keyboard for almost 3 years now. My keyboard is a 65% keyboard from KeyChron. It is, I think, K6 or K2. I do not remember the model, but it is perfect. This keyboard I've been using this keyboard without any issues for past 3 years. And this keyboard is a mechanical keyboard with round KeyChron switches. Works with 3 different laptops at the same time. So same thing is with my mouse. My mouse is from Logitech. It is MX Anywhere 3. It's a very small, sleeky mouse. And the beauty about that mouse is that I never feel that pain in my wrist. It is that perfect small compact mouse that I can carry wherever I want. Whenever I'm working from a cafe or from my office, I can just carry it. It also connects with 3 devices at the same time and with one button. I'm heavy into music, but since I have very less space in my desk, so I went with one speaker, and that is a HomePod from Apple, and it works just beautifully. The sound quality is amazing, and the speaker, everything is hidden behind my monitor, and you cannot see. I will put on the picture of how everything I've set up behind my monitor. Above my monitor is a light from BenQ. I think almost everybody is using that. So what this light does is, when you're sitting for a prolonged period of time working on your eye starts to hurt, and this particular light avoids that straining on your eyes. So whenever I am working for a very long time, I turn this light on, and it really does help. Above the light, I have a webcam. Because I work from home, I do need a very good webcam. It is a webcam from Logitech. It's a 4K enabled webcam, so a pro camera. It's amazing. When I'm working at night, I do feel that there's not enough light. So to sort that situation out, I have a lamp. which I ordered from Amazon. It also works as the recording light for me whenever I'm recording shorts or videos for YouTube from my desk. So the table lamp has two configuration, warm light and white light. So it works both ways if you have a preference between two different kind of light. The docking station, it is from Dell. It works without any issues with Mac and with Windows. That was the primary reason behind ordering it. It comes with power charging, so all I need is one USB-C cable, which I attach to my laptop, and it charges, as well as I'm able to connect it to my monitor. And the desk mat is from Amazon Basics again. It is a mat and it is just beautiful. Like, you don't need to order expensive $100 mat. It doesn't it solves all the problem. It looks amazing. It looks very minimal, and it is just amazing for $12. That's the best thing you can find. It comes in very different sizes. Music part. So whenever I'm concentrating on coding, I definitely plug in some music, and my choice of earphones are the Airpods Max or the AirPods from Apple. I've been using them since the day came out, and I've never had any complaint. The sound quality is just amazing. So like I mentioned in one of my shorts, that I like to make to-do list every day when I start my workday. I do use this to-do list, which I ordered off Amazon. I'm going to put the link for it in the description. It is just a ordinary to-do list, which I can use to compile all my things, all my tasks that I want to get done that day. But yeah, it gets the work done. I've checked out those from UGMonk as well, but they're like definitely very expensive. Like, I'm not paying $150 for a to-do list keeper. This does the job perfectly without any issues. So on the side, it is a bedside table from Ikea, which I use to store all my wires and hard drives and books that I may be needing in a workday. And it blends perfectly with the base of my standing desk, and that's why it is there. So yeah, that's my desk setup. Then I put the links for everything in the description. So if you want, you can check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.